Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting both devices ready. Power your Ps5 and ensure the Meteor remote has a charged battery. This prevents mid-pair failures. Once done, sign into the user account you want the remote to control because the console links settings to profiles. Make sure the remote sits within about 1.5 meters of the Ps5. Bluetooth needs that short range for a clean initial handshake. Now move to the controller pairing screen. We'll trigger the console to look for new devices. You navigate to Settings, then Accessories, and open Bluetooth Accessories, so the Ps5 is actively scanning for devices. Next, press and hold the remote's PS button and the Create button together for about 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. Doing both signals, the remote is discoverable. When the console updates its list, look for an entry labeled Meteor Remote and select it. This triggers the secure exchange of keys. After selection, the system confirms pairing. Make sure you see the acknowledgement before you finish by verifying core functions. Press Power, Home, and Playback buttons to confirm the remote talks to the console. If it's unresponsive, try a simple battery reset, remove the cell for 10 seconds, reinsert and repeat pairing, because a brief power cycle often clears pairing faults. If problems persist, restart the Ps5 or forget and repair the remote under Bluetooth accessories. This resets the console's Bluetooth table. That single troubleshooting tip, battery receipt first, solves most sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.